Welcome back to SK Auto Review, and today we are talking about one of the most extreme luxury SUVs ever built, the 2026 Mercedes G63 Mansory P900. This is not a normal G-Class, this is a full Mansory transformation that takes the already brutal G63 and turns it into a 900 horsepower luxury monster. From aggressive styling to handcrafted interior details and insane performance numbers, this SUV is designed for buyers who want power, exclusivity, and presence all in one package. The exterior of the 2026 Mercedes G63 Mansory P900 instantly tells you this is something special. Mansory adds a full carbon fiber widebody kit that completely changes the stance of the G Wagon. The front fascia looks more aggressive with a redesigned bumper, larger air intakes, and a carbon fiber hood that improves cooling while adding a race-inspired look. The flared wheel arches make the SUV look wider and more muscular, while massive forged wheels wrapped in high-performance tires give it a planted and commanding road presence. At the rear, the custom bumper, roof spoiler, and quad exhaust system announce its power long before you hear the engine roar. Every detail is about dominance, luxury, and exclusivity. Step inside the cabin and the Mansory treatment continues with extreme attention to detail. The interior of the G63 Mansory P900 is fully customized, using premium leather, alcantara, and carbon fiber throughout the cabin. Mansory typically offers unique color combinations, contrast stitching, embroidered logos, and custom seat designs that feel more like a luxury yacht than an SUV. The steering wheel is reworked with carbon fiber accents and a sportier grip, while the dashboard, center console, and door panels receive carbon trim that enhances the high-performance feel. Ambient lighting adds a modern and dramatic atmosphere at night, making the cabin feel futuristic yet luxurious. The seats are deeply bolstered for comfort during high-speed driving, but they remain soft and supportive for long journeys. In terms of technology, the 2026 Mercedes G63 Mansory P900 is loaded with advanced features. You get a large digital instrument cluster, a high-resolution infotainment system with navigation, smartphone connectivity, and premium audio. Everything feels solid and high-end, with Mansory adding personalized touches that make this SUV feel one of a kind. Despite its aggressive performance focus, the G63 Mansory P900 still offers practicality with a spacious cabin and decent cargo space for a luxury SUV of this size. Now let's talk about performance, because this is where the Mansory P900 truly shines. Under the hood is the iconic 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine, heavily modified by Mansory to produce around 900 horsepower and massive torque. This insane power allows the G63 Mansory P900 to accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in just around 3.5 seconds, which is unbelievable for a vehicle of this size and weight. The engine sound is deep, aggressive, and unmistakably powerful, especially with the custom exhaust system that delivers a loud and commanding roar. Power is sent through an advanced all-wheel drive system that ensures maximum traction, whether you're launching hard on the highway or driving on challenging terrain. The suspension is also upgraded to handle the extra power and improve stability. Mansory fine-tunes the setup to balance comfort and performance, so the SUV feels controlled at high speeds while still offering a smooth ride during normal driving. Steering response feels more precise compared to the standard G63, and braking performance is enhanced with high-performance brake components that provide strong stopping power. When it comes to pricing, the 2026 Mercedes G63 Mansory P900 is clearly not for everyone. The base Mercedes G63 already sits at a high price point, and the Mansory conversion pushes the cost significantly higher. Depending on customization options, materials, and finishes, the price of the Mansory P900 can easily exceed several $100,000. This makes it a vehicle for elite buyers who value exclusivity and personalization more than anything else. Every Mansory G63 P900 is built to order, meaning no two examples are exactly the same. In conclusion, the 2026 Mercedes G63 Mansory P900 is the ultimate expression of luxury, power, and individuality. It takes the legendary G Class platform and transforms it into an ultra-high-performance SUV that dominates both the road and the spotlight. With its aggressive design, handcrafted interior, insane performance, and extreme exclusivity, this SUV is not just a vehicle, it's a statement. If you want a G-Wagon that stands far above the rest and money is no object, the Mansory P900 is as bold and powerful as it gets. This was SK Auto Review, and if you enjoyed this detailed review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more exclusive car content.